tell me, don't make me wait for you like this. Yeah. Waiting so long is torturous, can't you see? The more you act indifferent, the crazier I go. I walk up and tell you I love you. When I see you and you smile at me, oh yeah, it feels like the whole world brightens instantly. In the moments I need someone to understand me.